In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fallout New Vegas with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, if we open up the Fallout New Vegas page on Steam, it tells us that the game has partial controller support. What this means is that some brands of controllers, like the original Xbox 360 controller, might work natively, but for other controllers, modern ones like the DualSense or the PlayStation 4 one, we might have to do additional setup. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot your controller and make sure that it is being picked up and working with Fallout New Vegas. First, open up your library on Steam and select Fallout New Vegas from your list of games. As you can notice, I don't have Fallout New Vegas on this computer, so I'm just going to use Destiny 2 as an example, but the process that I'm going to show you will work. Just make sure to click on Fallout New Vegas. When you click on Fallout New Vegas, you will be able to select this icon of a gamepad over here to the right side. So as you can see on these 4 or 3 icons that you will see on your game, click the gamepad icon. This will open up the Fallout New Vegas Steam controller settings. Basically, Steam emulates old controllers that are natively compatible with games, and this makes it much easier to set up any type of controller that you have, as long as you have Steam Input enabled over here. So make sure Steam Input is enabled. You will be able to connect any controller that you have, modern ones or even generic ones, which is my case, and make sure that they are detected by Fallout New Vegas. You will be able to browse through all of their layouts if necessary, and as long as your controller is being picked up by Windows, you have a layout, and Steam Input is enabled, you will be able to play Fallout New Vegas using any controller that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fallout New Vegas on PC with a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.